How to fix PIP not working on iPhone or iPad. If the PIP option is not working properly on your iPhone or iPad, then follow these steps to resolve it. Firstly, on your iPhone or iPad, open the settings option. Inside settings, you will see different options like this. Go to the option general, and here you will see the picture in picture option. Make sure that you have turned on this option called Start PIP automatically. If this option is already turned on and you are still facing the issue, then follow these steps. Go back to your previous page and select the option Screen Time. Inside Screen Time, if you scroll down, then at the bottom you will see the section Restrictions. Under the section Restrictions, you will see the option Content and Privacy Restrictions. At the very top, make sure that this option is turned off. After that, again go back to your previous page. Select the option General, scroll down to the bottom and select Transfer or Reset iPhone. Inside at the very bottom, select the Reset option and click on Reset All Settings. After that, you will need to enter your screen time passcode and you can reset your settings. Now give your device a quick restart and your problem should be fixed. So that is it for this video. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.